travel practice at Plug and Play came into existence in Silicon Valley in 2016 with our founding partners, Accor Hotels, JetBlue Ventures, and CWT. In 2018, we started working closely with Changi Airport and Singapore Airlines. In 2019, we got approached by Vienna International Airport. They wanted to become more digitally centric. We launched the aviation-centric practice in Vienna in 2019.
For the travel and aviation sector, it is absolutely crucial to come together on one platform and work together, because their entire business model of the different players in the industry, like airports, airlines, alliances, they're set up to work together, because one airport alone can't really move the needle.
The major benefit for us as Fraport is that we have exposure to maybe one of the biggest global ecosystems when it comes to startup businesses in the world.
We've been anchor partners of Plug and Play for over 7 years, and it was really instrumental in the founding of JetBlue Ventures. We were fresh, we were new to the West Coast. Plug and Play really helped do a lot of the functions that helped us get to an accelerated pathway. We co-invested in, I believe, 8 companies with Plug and Play. They did a wonderful job of identifying these technologies that otherwise would not have been on our radar.
For us, our biggest achievement was to convince you guys from Plug and Play to open up one of your international offices within our premises, which is very necessary for our innovation team and also our work together to have you close by.
US Bank is an anchor partner at Plug and Play, and that gives us the opportunity of bringing specific problems which we are interested in solving for to Plug and Play. In travel and hospitality, some problems we are trying to solve for is better experiences which our customers can drive to their consumers.
We need to expand ourselves so that we can have access to the ecosystems that we always needed, and Plug and Play provided us with that opportunity. At the same time, we're able to approach our members to show them how we can benefit from this deal flow process. And the members are very excited about this opportunity.
It is exciting to work with this team and Plug and Play's innovation ecosystem to develop joint projects and new collaboration areas in travel and hospitality.
We at Opportunity Roma, thanks to the partnership with Plug and Play, we achieved definition of an accelerator program that now has a tenure of 2 years, 26 projects accelerated throughout this program. We founded and deployed a venture firm, which is called ADR Ventures, with 2 investments in its portfolio, and a group of people, our colleagues, that they're actually mentoring those startups that we call the Innovation Cabin Crew.
We have been a corporate partner for 5 years. I am so grateful to Plug and Play support team, because every time I speak with them online, they always make me feel being a part of global startup ecosystem.
It's always good to visit, Plug and Play just to see where innovation is going. Here you're getting a different, or a very good mix of startups, organizations, somebody just looking to invest, and for us to stay ahead of, or stay at the forefront of innovation and technology.
I think the most important value for us, we're one of the world's largest leisure tourism groups, and we have really many aspects of our business. Having Plug and Play be so strong across multiple verticals, not just travel and hospitality, but also sustainability, which is a huge, and being able to also cross-pollinate across the verticals has been incredibly valuable for us. And whenever we speak with the Plug and Play team, we're able to bring that culture also back into our company, and it's really helped us, to streamline how we innovate.
I meet with our team, Plug and Play team, every couple of weeks, and we talk about what's going on, what are we interested in. If I have a request that comes up from a business unit, I know I can reach out at any time and just say, find me people around this. But also, if I want to connect with a different corporate partner, I can do that too.
We've been with Plug and Play now for 7 years, and for us, the relationship helps shortcut some of the work that goes into finding new ideas and new products and innovations in the marketplace. If you don't partner with someone like Plug and Play, then you have to have several people that are constantly scanning the market, looking at new companies, meeting with them, talking to them, trying to assess viability with their operations, their funding, their flow, how the things work, and then making decisions as to whether you want to partner with them or not.
I think whether you join Plug and Play or you go about it in a different way, digital transformation, more importantly than ever, should be part of the core focus of any corporation across any industry, and travel is no exception.